Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop Setup and Login Tutorial. Access via Linksyssmartwifi.com. 1. Unbox Velop. Take out the main node with its adapter and cables. Keep everything ready on a flat surface. 2. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to link the Velop to your modem. This ensures internet reaches the node. 3. Power on node. Plug in the adapter and wait for the LED. A solid purple light means it's ready. 4. Download app. Go to App Store or Google Play. Install the official Linksys app on your phone. 5. Sign in or create. Open the app and use your Linksys account. New users can quickly make one in minutes. 6. Start setup. Choose, set up a new Wi-Fi network. The app will walk you through every step. 7. Name network. Pick a Wi-Fi name that's easy to spot. Add a strong password for security. 8. Add more nodes. Place extra nodes in different rooms for coverage. Plug them in and power them up. 9. Sync nodes. The app will search for each node. Once detected, they link automatically. 10. Open web access. On a browser, go to Linksyssmartwifi.com. This gives more advanced control. 11. Log in online. Sign in with your Linksys account. Adjust settings like guest Wi-Fi or parental controls. 12. Check dashboard. Make sure all nodes show connected. Test the signal across your home. Thank you for watching.